Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use Affirm virtual card. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So you can request a virtual card in your Affirm account. So there are three places to access your virtual card. So in the Affirm app, in your account on the Affirm website, or via the confirmation email the Affirm send you after you request the card. So when paying with your virtual card online, it works like a standard credit card. So at the checkout, just choose credit card as your payment method and then enter the card number and other requested information. So that's it. That's how you can make a purchase with the Affirm virtual card. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.